पेरे पेरे बारिश पई, थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी हो,
घर भी गिर गया, फसलें थी वो भी तबाह हो गई।
हम बच्चे उठा के रोड के ऊपर आ गए।
The devastating monsoon flooding this year caused misery for millions in Sindh province. With almost 500 lives lost, 2 million acres of crops destroyed, and 1.5 million houses damaged, the deadly rains affected 9 million people, leaving many with no roof over their heads. The Pakistan Red Crescent Society, together with the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, the International Committee of Red Cross, and other Red Cross Red Crescent partners, was among the first responders to those affected. As part of its emergency response, the Pakistan Red Crescent Society has distributed food and other relief items among 60,000 families, treated over 120,000 patients through 18 of its mobile health units, and disseminated over 25 million litres of water through 15 water treatment plants thus far. Three months after the disaster, the floodwaters have now started to recede, only to leave a trail of destruction behind them. More than 500,000 are left with no choice but to take refuge in relief camps, with thousands more camped along roadsides. Their shelters are shoddy, their belongings bare minimal. A thin plastic sheet no longer fights the biting cold for many who urgently need winterized shelter and blankets to survive.
राशन भी चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए, घर भी नहीं है, मथाई दा नंढड़ा बार रोई दा सा कपड़न ला, जूतन ला, चूड़न ला, मना अजाब वाली जिंदगी असरी गुजर रही है.
The living conditions remain horrible. Stagnant waters around them remain filled with human waste and decomposing animals. Poor sanitation and lack of hygiene puts these people at the risk of deadly diseases. With most water sources polluted after floods, access to clean water remains a challenge. Most survivors are still living on one meal a day. Malnutrition, already prevalent in these areas, has increased manifold, with over 3 million children at the risk of severe malnutrition. Without immediate food aid and seeds for the next planting season, these people will be driven deeper into an unending cycle of poverty and financial debt.
कहाँ से कमाऊं? असूल खत्म हो गया, बकरियां सकरियां वो मर गया।
बहुत बेरोजगारी हो गई है, हमारे पास फसल भी नहीं है जो हम अपने घर बनवाएं। इसमें अल्लाह में आसरा है और कुछ में भी नहीं है।
Sadly, in the face of this massive catastrophe, there has been an ominous silence from donors. Thousands of people are destitute and face an uncertain future. The longer we wait, the worse the impact will be. With homes destroyed, expansive farmland submerged, and health facilities severely damaged, lives have been shattered, livelihoods lost. This is the plight of the people of Sindh today. Taking action now can pull these miserable people out of their plight. It will help them in taking control of their own recovery to begin rebuilding their lives and livelihoods. Let us join hands to support these people in their time of greatest need and to be a stronger voice for these forgotten people of the forgotten paths.